There's a RM22. This is our supercharged 69 Chevelle, 1,000 horsepower beast. So this car is gonna be RM26. So just as we're done handing someone the keys to this 68 Charger, our next sweepstakes car, RM26, is gonna be RM22 again. So you guys are gonna have another chance to put yourselves in the driver's seat. We're also gonna give away our biggest cash prize ever. What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, February 28th. We're doing another garage update here at the RestoMods garage. It is also the end of triple entries for RM25, which is our first 1968 Dodge Charger. If you haven't seen this thing, go check it out on our YouTube channel or any of our socials. It's basically a bullet clone. It was built for a movie studio, and then we got a hold of it, redid the whole suspension. It's an incredible 440 big block Mopar V8 with a 6-speed manual, super fun car, and we are giving it away right now. Tomorrow, it's a leap year, so the 29th, we gave you guys an extra day in February. We didn't invent leap years. We didn't actually give you the extra day. We just scheduled it then. You've got an extra day to claim triple entries to win this one-of-a-kind 1968 Charger and $20,000 in cash. That's right, someone is gonna be walking away with this car and 20 grand in cash, which is just crazy to say, but it is our 25th giveaway vehicle. We've been doing this since 2017, and we wanna put you in the driver's seat of this Charger, but you gotta claim those triple entries by midnight tomorrow night. That's Thursday, February 29th. Again, leap year, we didn't invent that, but we're claiming it as our own. And you can claim triple entries. That means head to RestoMods.com. You can sign up for the membership, or you can pick up anything on the website. Wanted to highlight our vacuum bottles. These are really popular. They will keep your drinks cold or keep your drinks hot. Whatever liquids you want to put in there, it'll maintain the temperature. It's got a nice screw top lid, little handle lid on it, and keeps everything cold. Let's see, is it still cold? After all that time, still cold. Anyways, this thing is awesome. It also fits in a standard cup holder. We try to give you as much volume as possible while still fitting it in the cup holder. This thing right now, you go pick it up on RestoMods.com, is gonna get you 90 entries to take home this 68 Charger and $20,000 in cash. We are doing that giveaway. Let's see, this is February. April 5th is the last day to enter. And then usually 10 days after that, our sweepstakes company will draw a winner, and we'll call that winner live right here on YouTube. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I think we already have the placeholder video up, so you can subscribe for reminders on that. Speaking of subscribing to our channel, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's that little button right down there. You'll be automatically entered to win this 1975 Ramcharger. It's not gonna look like this when we're done with it. You can go back and also look at the videos for this. We took this thing, we got this over a year ago, and it was actually pretty nice when we got it. We drove it around, had some fun with it. I think Joe, we actually raced, and I think Joe may have won the race.
No, Esparza did.
Esparza won?
Yeah.
Okay, I remember I was so panicked I didn't hit the stop the timer button. But yeah, this thing was super cool when we got it, but had a lot of rust in the body. This thing was originally a forestry truck, US Forestry Service. We stripped it all the way down, patched all of the rust.
Of paint on it.
Yeah, this is a 75, and it was definitely wearing that age. It had just been repainted a couple times. We tore it all the way down. We took out all the rust panels. We did all the body work. We painted it this beautiful gloss black. We also rebuilt the 440. We didn't Cogswell Marine. Rebuilt that 440. There's a really cool video on all the processes they used to completely rebuild this big block Mopar V8. And then we're gonna do some really cool stuff in the interior. This is Regan's project. When we get to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, we're gonna give this truck away to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do to enter is hit that subscribe button. We're constantly putting out cool classic car content. So for you, it's a win-win. You get cool classic car content, check out all of our builds when we're buying cars, getting rid of cars, giving away cars, and you just might take home this 75 Ramcharger when we're done with it. What else is going on in the garage? We got Blue over here. This is kind of our shop truck, which is what most of the guys in the office here will wrench on when they're, just need something or they're noodling on a problem and they want to work on something. We put in a really badass 427 in this thing. It's a blueprint crate, and it's inevitably going to break other parts on this car. So I can't wait till it's all back together and making noise. Looks like it's pretty well plumbed. Looks like a lot of wiring right now is going on. I see the wiring card out here. So that means Guys are having all kinds of fun headaches with wiring, but hopefully this thing will be back on the road. We'll be driving that soon. What else do we have over here? There's an RM22. This is our supercharged 69 Chevelle, 1,000 horsepower beast. That if you follow the channel, you know we gave this car away. This was RM22, I want to say. And we gave it away. The winner decided to take a cash alternative instead of the prize. We were just going to sell the car. And then the community spoke up and demanded that we give them another opportunity to own this car. So this car is going to be RM26. So just as we're done handing someone the keys to this 68 Charger, our next sweepstakes car, RM26, is going to be RM22 again. So you guys are going to have another chance to put yourselves in the driver's seat. We're also going to give away our biggest cash prize ever, which is $50,000 in cash, along with this supercharged 69 Chevelle. Speaking of the 69 Chevelle, we actually just picked up, it was on Bring a Trailer earlier this week. We purchased another 1969 Chevelle, and this one's not supercharged. It's actually a twin turbo car. It's got a Nelson Racing engines in it. And
also
it's
a 427, right? It
is a 427, but it's got a twin turbo on it. It's a really crazy setup. It's got 2 fuel tanks, so you can do 110 octane and 91 octane, and it really just does that automatically based on performance. So when you need, when you really mash that right pedal, it pulls that 110 fuel. So it's really exciting. I'm excited to get that here, and as soon as we have it, we will do another video and show you guys. We've got another Mopar hiding back there. That I think is a 70 Charger with a really aggro stance that everyone wants to fix, but I kind of like. So we'll see what happens to that thing. What else do we got in here? I know we were working on the transmission on the 68 Camaro. This thing's got a Gen 5 crate motor in it, GM crate motor in it. It's the same engine that's in the new Camaros and the new Performance V Edition Cadillacs. And it's a big supercharged V8 with variable valve timing, all kinds of cool stuff in there. That's gonna be a future giveaway car as well. We had a little bit of problems. It's a 6-speed manual, and we had a little bit of problems with 4th gear, so we had the transmission fully rebuilt, and I think that's going back in right now. And that'll be a future giveaway car. But back to the important things today. Make sure you head over to RestoMods.com and claim your triple entries to win that 1968. Oh, quick pan, Joe. That was quick. Hold on, let me just go stand over here so you don't make people sick. So yeah, make sure you claim your triple entries to win this badass 1968 Charger before midnight tomorrow night. That is the leap year day, February 29th. That's a Thursday. Make sure you get in to RestoMods.com before midnight and claim those bonus entries, because after midnight tomorrow night, they are gone forever. So claim those entries. We could be flying you here to San Diego and putting you in the driver's seat of this 68 Charger along with 20 grand in your pocket. That's our garage update for the day. Get those entries and good luck.